Howdy, my name is Ben Jones and I'm part of the Texas A&M graduating class of 2025, and now I'm a consultant here at DOCUmation. I'm super pumped to be back after doing an internship last summer where I learned a ton of things, everything from how to make a call to shaking the hands of customers and how to get in the door, as well as a lot of the back-end things we do here, such as the sales meetings, the assessments, and just the general office flow. Reading books is nice, but having the experience here is a huge plus, and it's a large reason of why I'm back. Another reason I returned is because, in a way, I kind of get to be my own boss. Yes, I have people that I report to, but the amount of customers and clients that I get is all based on how hard I work, the amount of calls I make, the amount of times I go shake hands with people, and just get to use my network. And that opportunity to be my own businessman and to kind of forge my own path was a large reason of why I came back. The quality of service is next to none, and that's one of the greatest things about being a consultant here. I know that we have the staff to back me up whenever I'm finishing a deal for the first time or giving years of service to our customers. I know that a lot of people here have more than 10 to 15 years of experience, and that puts me at ease when I'm talking about the different things that we offer and the caliber at which we offer them at, which is huge for somebody like myself who's brand new to the industry. I don't have a whole lot of experience to speak from, but I know this company has a long history of doing things right and doing things well.